So today we're finally recording the apartment tour.
What? Oh, is that today? I'm sorry, I'm just not ready yet. That one right there is mine. Ours. I'm gonna take you upstairs now. As you can see, I live on a pretty busy street. So whenever we get dropped off by the Uber, we just tell them to stop at the pharmacy because it's right next door to us. Nice easy place to get dropped off. Then we head right in here. This is the entrance. Kind of looks like there's supposed to be somebody sitting there. There's usually just someone sitting outside. Kind of gotten to be friendly with the building owners or the building managers. And we come here to our elevator. Very exciting. So we're on floor 5. So I guess what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press 5. So I've already talked into the camera, into this mirror before. The elevator's a little bit herky-jerky. It's a bit old, and so sometimes you gotta brace yourself for when it lands. Hey, it's Don.
Hiya.
And welcome to Don't Worry, I'm Finite. I'm gonna finally give you that long sought after apartment tour.
Welcome to São Paulo.
Yes.
This time.
Usually, welcome to São Paulo means something completely different. All right, so this is our balcony. I really love this balcony. As you've seen a few times, it's got a great view of the city. We've got a church over there. The big church, say, that I did the photos in is right down there. You can see the tallest building in the city over there. What's it called?
Edifício Martinelli.
I really enjoyed sitting out here, having some coffee in the morning, or sitting here in the evening, watching the sunset. So this is like probably one of my favorite places in the apartment. All right, so coming in from the balcony, this is the bedroom. As you can see, here's the bed, and we have a little couch here. The couch is not very comfortable. I spend very little time on the couch. We spend most of our time in the bed, if you know what I mean. That's where we sit and watch movies, obviously. But I love these art pieces hanging in the background. Like, it's just really cool to have something artistic and something on the walls, even though it wasn't ours. It was nice to have a furnished place. As we go to the kitchen, obviously you're gonna pass this area right here. This is our kitchen table / my workspace. We have a little bit of an office back there, but it ended up being harder to use than we expected because the outlet situation in this old building is not great. So instead of running wires everywhere, I've ended up using this. This actually works much better with the breeze coming through, and I'm close by. We can just have food, and then I can do some editing. But the kitchen here, it's a nice little kitchen. Got a big fridge. We've customized it a little bit with our little whiteboard, and we have a big enough stove. We've been able to cook easily in here, and everything else. Just a nice, fully equipped kitchen. For the most part, we have pretty much everything we needed, except for wine glasses. We had to buy those. This area here is pretty much unused. This is just kind of where we set our stuff that we know we're going to get in the morning. I always need to have one of these places no matter where I am. It's always the one place where I just know I'm going to put my wallet, I'm going to put my keys, I'm going to put my whatever I need to remember to bring the next day, because otherwise I just won't remember it. Here's our phone. This nobody there. Okay. All right, come on down the hallway. This is the office. While it is an office, it's very pretty in here. This was the room that I thought I would spend the most time in, but ended up spending the least time in. So it's kind of just become our wardrobe, laundry room area to kind of sit aside when we need, whenever we need to. Once in a while we use this if we both need to be working quietly apart from each other, like when we were recording our podcast last week. But otherwise, another place with a nice view, and I'm gonna take you up here real quick. So that was the my favorite little thing there. It says it means to explore fate, if I remember correctly.
Yes.
Something like that. I really like that as a little addition to the view of the window. Otherwise, this is our office, storage space, etc. And let's go see where the magic happens in the bathroom.
Done? Done? Oh.
Oh. Ready to get a bath? Right over here. I feel like I'm making this apartment look bigger than it is just because I feel like it's taking this long to to show it. But come on in. This is the bathroom. It actually is quite a big bathroom. I'm pretty happy with this. You can spread out in here. The mirror always helps it look bigger. We have a little bit of space here with some succulents and a little bit of a breeze coming through. This was something I had to get used to, the kind of Brazilian side shower thing. Otherwise, like most places in the world, I just have, if I want to use the sink, I have to go full bow. That's a full Japanese bow right there. If I want to wash my face in the morning.
I can see your booty.
Yes, that's what everybody tuned in for, to see my booty.
Yeah.
All right, so back into this room. So it actually is quite a nice space. If we do a little spin around here, I'm gonna take you on a journey. This is the apartment, and now we're both busy. But that's it. That's pretty much all it is. It's been a great little spot to live. It's been a comfortable living space. We have a place to spread out. We're in kind of an industrial district, so whenever we need things, we kind of have to choose one direction or the other to go. But we also have this great little market downstairs that has rice and beans and other kind of foods. And if we need a beer, if we need a soda or something, it's right down there to grab. There's a little market half a block away. So in the morning when we need more bread or eggs or tomatoes, one of us can just run down there and get it. It's been super easy and been really comfortable here. I'll just tease that we won't be here for that much longer. I'm not gonna say much more than that. We'll get to that in the next episode. You have to tune in for that. But anyway, let me take you back out to the balcony to say farewell. So, back to the balcony, and this is where we're gonna spend our time for the next little while we're here. So, she's teasing more than I am. So anyway, thanks. I hope you enjoyed our apartment tour. If you want to rent an Airbnb apartment in São Paulo, I'll give you the hookup with the guy who owns this place. So let us know. But thanks for watching. Let us know what we should tour next. Yeah. Thanks for subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.